Most of the people chase shortcuts, follow random tips, and wonder why nothing is helping them to build wealth. But the truth is, wealth is not built overnight. It is built from few simple habits that you repeat every single day without fail. Over the past few years, I tested myself these habits and they completely transformed my business, my savings, and my freedom. In this video, I'll break down the 9 habits that can take you from where you're now to building long-term wealth. Habit 1. Track these 3 buckets every month. When I first started earning, I had the same problem almost everyone have. By the end of the month, my bank balance was almost zero. Bills, food, shopping, and some random spends. I could not even remember on what I had spent. Then I used to wait for my next salary. That's when I realized I was not managing my money at all. Then I learned about 3 money bucket system by Ramit Sethi, the author of I Will Teach You to Be Rich. He talks about conscious spending, means instead of just tracking expenses, you divide every rupee you spend into 3 buckets. First one is needs, like rent, groceries, and bills. Second one is wants, like restaurant, shopping, and subscriptions. Third one is future, like savings, investment, learning, or anything that can grow your wealth. The first time when I did this, my wants bucket was full and my future bucket was almost empty. That's when I thought I was not building wealth, I was just spending. So at the end of every month, I review all my expenses and label them into these 3 buckets. It may take a hour, but it keeps my spending in control and my future bucket growing. Habit 2. Spend less than you earn. There was a time I thought the only way to get rich was earn more. Higher salary, more clients, more business. But I started noticing something strange. Some people were earning 1 crore per year and still struggling financially. And others were earning 24 lakhs per year. But they had savings, investments, and peace of mind. That's when I realized it's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. Because if your income goes up, your spending also goes up. You're not building wealth, you're just upgrading your lifestyle. That's called lifestyle inflation. It silently keeps people broke, no matter how much they earn. And even Morgan Housel, author of Psychology of Money, says making money is not same as keeping it. Wealthy people know this. So they don't just earn more, they save more, invest more when their income grows. So before you run after a higher salary, learn to save from what already you're earning. That's how real wealth begins. Habit 3. Pay yourself first. Let me ask you something. When your salary comes in, what the first thing you do? Pay bills, cover rent, spend a little on food, clothes, weekend plans, and then think about investing. That's what most of the people do. They spend first, if anything left only they will invest. But wealthy people do opposite. Before a single rupee is spent, a fixed amount goes straight into the savings or investment automatically. Even Warren Buffett followed this rule before he was famous. When he was 15 years old, while delivering newspapers, he saved $1,200 and invested in a farmland before spending anything on his expenses. And he still says this: don't save what is left after spending. Spend what is left after saving. Habit 4. Start early and stay consistent. There is one thing that every wealthy person has common. They started early. When it comes to building wealth, time is your biggest investment. Even great scientists like Albert Einstein said that compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. Here is why. If you are investing 10,000 a month starting at 25 years, when you are at 50 years, it will be 2.5 growth even with the average returns. But if you start at 35, you would have less than half of that amount. And same applies with business also. If you are building a brand, network or skill today, you will give yourself years to learn, make mistakes and grow. Wealth, either in investments or business, is not built overnight. It was built if you maintain consistency over the years. Start now if the amount or progress is small also. Let the time decide. Because the first best time to start is yesterday and the second best time is today. Habit 5. Play the long game. When I started my business, I was obsessed about selling more and getting quick profits. I used to think only about daily sales and profits, not about the long term. But soon I realized big businesses are not built in days, they're built in years. If you look at Amazon, Jeff Bezos did not focus on short-term profits. He focused on building trust, market share, and system that could scale for decades. Now, whenever I launch a new product, I ask myself, will this product can sell for next 5 years from now? If the answer is yes, I will launch it. If not, I'll skip it. Habit 6. Keep a vision to action list. Most of the people will have dreams like I want to start a business or I want to make more money, but they never write it down clearly. So it just stays as a dream. From past 3 years, I'm writing life tracker book. which is about tracking my habits and works. In that recently, I started adding my long-term goals also. Let me explain you how it works. Firstly, plan for next 5 to 10 years. Like as of now, I have two goals. First one is I want to start 5 new brands and make each brand revenue 50 crores in the next 10 years. Second, in less than 5 years, I want to make 1 million subscribers in YouTube. Break it into yearly goals. From the long-term goal, I'll decide what I need to achieve in the next 12 months to move closer to my goal. Like launch one new brand and publish weekly one long video. Turn yearly to monthly actions. Now I'll split my yearly goal into monthly actions. Like find the product, get samples and plan for long videos and shorts. And the fourth one is review and adjust. At the end of each month, I'll check did they actually do them or not. If it's not, I'll figure out why and fix it in the next month. This works because when your goals are written down clearly and if you see them every day, you're more likely to take action and stay consistent. Habit 7. Take risks that build wealth. When I first started my business, I used to run it very safe. I only launched products I was 100% sure that would sell. I avoided new markets because that felt too risky. But the truth is, you can't build real wealth by staying in your comfort zone forever. In the business, the biggest growth comes from the calculated risks, like launching a unique product that no one else is selling or building a brand in a competitive market. These type of moves feel uncomfortable at first, but these moves can turn a small, slow-growing business into a fast-growing, successful business. Even we did this. We entered a niche where big brands are dominating, and today we are one of the top products who are competing with them. Of course, I only took this risk after gaining enough knowledge and experience on Amazon. Habit 8. Network with the right people. Initial days of my business, I tried to do everything alone. From finding supplies to handling shipping from China. I thought I could figure it out myself. But I made a lot of mistakes that cost me in lakhs. Then one day at an event, I met a logistic partner who stay in USA. In just a conversation, he said about how to cut my shipping cost by 20% and shared the strategies of other sellers who are scaling their business. That one conversation saved me lakhs in a year and came to know about other opportunities which I don't even know there existed. That's when I realized in business meeting the right people is so important. The right people help you to skip years of trial and error and give you the right advice at the right time. So now I make networking as a habit. I attend events, join community and reach the people ahead of me in the business. Habit 9. The 1% progress rule. Most of the people think success comes from making massive changes overnight. But in reality, success comes from making small improvements consistently. James Clear, author of Atomic Habits, called it as power of tiny gains. If you can make 1% better every day, whether learning a new skill, improving your product or saving little money, the small wins can add up faster than you think. When I first started my Amazon business, my product images were average, my listing was not perfect and my ads were just okay. So instead of trying to fix everything in one day, I started making small improvements like first adding better keywords, improving images, product listing, then ads. Each change felt small at that moment, but my sales were doubled in a month. Not because of one big change, but because of many small changes. Focus on getting little better each day. The results won't be instant, but it will get compounded over the time. Start with one habit, stay consistent and watch how your life will get better. If you want to start selling or scale your business on Amazon, fill this form.